Hello, my name is Colin Snewstead, and my robot is a wind turbine that seeks where the wind is coming from and moves there. So here it is. And that's it. So pretty much how the system works is I have a small magnet encoder inside of this storage box, and then I actually have a magnet hooked up to the very bottom of this toothpick, if you can see in there. And as the magnet spins, it has a changing magnetic field, and that magnetic field is detected by the magnetic encoder, and the encoder can detect the angle because of the magnetic field. So the angle found by this encoder is directed down to the Ilegu board, and then the board tells the servo motor where to spin based on that angle. And the servo motor can move in real time, so it can track the angle and move there. But as you can see, I created a 10-second offset just to make sure the movement isn't too abrupt. And also, I coded the servo to turn slower just to make sure that the turbine actually moves with it well. And I also created an offset, so because they're not, or an overshoot, sorry. So because they're not perfectly aligned, there's a little bit of distance and they don't rotate exactly how I want it. I had to make an overshoot so the servo motor actually spins 20 degrees further in each direction, just to make sure it gets to the right spot. I had these fans turning on in different orders. This small one obviously is used to turn this wind vane, so the wind vane seeks where the wind is coming from. These ones are to turn the actual turbine. And then for this green LED, it's standby. It's 0.25 seconds off, 0.75 seconds on. And then once I click the button, so it goes solid green. And then 20 seconds after I hit the button, it starts flickering pretty fast. And it's just to like simulate that energy is being produced because the turbine is spinning quicker. And that's pretty much how the system works.